In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how to design a beautiful email in Canva and send it straight to Flodesk in just a few clicks. When I first started my business in 2020, I also started an email list and spent years building it. I wasn't in the market for a new email provider. I had my list,
My automations, my segments, my checkout pages.
years of work building up my deliverability, and I wasn't thinking about touching any of that. But then this company named Flodesk just kept popping up. Every time I turned around, they were releasing some new feature or partnering with another brand that I already knew and loved. Canva, obviously, we talk about Canva a lot on this channel. And then there was ManyChat, which I used to turn my social media content into email subscribers. So for months, I went back and forth with Flodesk, asking them questions. They answered every question that I had. They also had resources to help me connect my domain, warm up my email list, keep my open rates up, and they just checked every single box. So I went all in and I moved everything over. Now this video is sponsored by Flodesk, but I wanted to share all of that because I am a legitimate fan. And today's integration with Canva, my other bestie, is just one more reason why. Let's get into it. So Flodesk already has some incredibly beautiful designs that we can use here. And if you want even more, then you can go to Canva and go to templates and then go to the email category. And here's a bunch of different templates that you can use. And we're gonna get one of these into Flodesk. So I'll click this one right here and then customize this template. This will open up in the Canva editor. And a lot of these email designs have headers at the very top that you're not able to edit unless you double click on it. And then it will open up sort of this secondary Canva editor. And we can start to swap out the text right here and customize it to make it look like our own. So once we're done with that, maybe we want it to look a little bit more on brand. And so we can add in our own brand fonts. You could add in your own brand colors if you want to. And then of course, we're able to access the element library to swap in some images. Now for this image, I want it to kind of be popping out over the text. So I'm going to use Canva's photo editing tools here and go to the magic grab feature. And I'll click foreground. And it's gonna just separate these layers. So I'll keep the background intact, but I'll be able to separate that top layer. And so once I've done that, then I can drag this and I just want this slightly overlaying on top of the text here. And then once we're happy, we're just gonna click on save and it will update in our original email design here. We can continue to customize this. Maybe we wanna swap out the background for one of the colors in our color palette. We'll go ahead and swap out the rest of this design here, customize it, and everything's looking pretty good. Next, we want to make sure that the fonts that we're using are email safe fonts. So we'll click here and go up to the font library and you'll see this heading that says email safe fonts. These are going to display consistently across all email platforms. So just make sure that you're using one of those fonts that are going to be good to go. And then we can also add in links and those are going to transfer over into our design once we pull it into Flodesk. So let's say in this case, we want this link to go to flodesk.com and then we'll click on done. Now we are ready to share. So let's go up to the top right-hand corner and click share. And then we're gonna go to see all and click Flodesk. We'll open this up and then we'll be able to connect our Flodesk account. But first we get a nice little preview of what this will look like both from desktop and from mobile. So we'll connect our Flodesk account here. And if you don't have a Flodesk account, then you'll be able to create one, try it for free, or you can sign into your existing account. In this case, I'm just gonna do a new email here. I want it to share to a new email, and then I'll click share to Flodesk. We'll click check it out, and then it's gonna open up in the Flodesk editor, and this is what our email looks like right here within Flodesk. Flodesk brings it in as one block, but you will be able to continue to make edits on this by clicking on it. And then over on the right-hand side, you'll see that we have an option that says edit in Canva. When we click on that, we're taken right back into the editor, and then we can make a few more changes here. And then once we're ready, We'll go back to Flodesk by clicking on Share and Flodesk. Make sure we're choosing the right email, and then click Share to Flodesk. Click Check it out, and we're right back in the editor. And of course, we can continue to iterate on this. So maybe we want to add in a countdown or a poll, and we can customize it using the eyedropper to make sure that it's consistent with all the other colors that are part of our design. Once everything looks good, we'll click Next. You can enter in your subject line, your preview text, and then click Continue. We'll add in whatever segment that we want this to be sent to, choose when to send this, and we can send a test email to ourselves. If you've been thinking about making the switch to Flodesk, or you're just getting started with email marketing, then you can check it out at the link in the description. You can try it out for free to start, and then get 25% off your first year if you decide to make it official. Be sure to drop any questions that you have in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.